Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Let me fix you guys real quick and let me move some stuff around so that it looks like I have my lights together. I wanted to bring you guys this video to show you what I have, what outfits I have succeeded in or sewing patterns. This is the Sunny dress top from the Friday Pattern Company. And I really like this top. I just don't like hem, how it's kind of like a scallop hem, if you will. I don't like how it makes my tummy look. I feel like it really extends it and it makes me look a little bloated. So I don't like that part. So what I'm actually planning on doing is cutting the entire scallop off and then just kind of sewing it as a straight hem. I think that would flatter my figure a little bit more. I am a rectangle shaped, I do have a rectangle shaped figure, so my measurements are basically the same from my bust, waist, and hip. If you guys hear some yelling in the background, my kids are actually playing, so sorry. But yeah, I tucked my shirt in and I actually kind of liked it. But then I decided to see what it would look like without the hem, and that's when I got the idea, like, I actually like this look better for my figure. And then here we have the Sunny dress top. I did share this make. All of these makes I have shared before, but I just wanted to make a video of showing what I have been able to succeed really well. And I do like this dress. I am very proud of it. I do like how the flowers look and how the pink kind of makes my skin tone look and my hair. I do like it. What I don't like again is the belly part. I don't like how this shapes my midsection. So I do usually wear like one of those like shape things underneath so that it kind of swoops everything in. Because if I wear it alone, I always look pregnant, and I'm not pregnant. It's just how my tummy fills up. But yeah, I am proud of it, but look at who decided to join me. I am proud of it. I just don't like, it just does not suit my figure very well. And I do like the neckline. I like how the back is. And this is reversible, so you can flip it over and show more back. But I personally do not like that look. I prefer showing more skin up in the front area than in the back. But yeah, this is the dress. The fabric is very comfortable as well. This next one is one of my first ones that I actually succeeded in. This one, this one is a romper from the new Look D0609, and I'll actually put all this in the description box. All I did was add a waistband at the time, and this makes me feel so nice. It doesn't make my midsection look big. Again, I am a rectangle shape figure. Therefore, waistbands in the midsection create the illusion of a smaller waist and wider hips and a wider top or a wider back or chest area. Does that make sense? So this complements my figure. I like how it makes me look. I like how I feel in it. It's perfect for when I go to the lake or the pool. I usually wear it over a bathing suit. The only thing I gotta say that I don't like is that I feel like the shorts are a little too short, you know? Oh, and it is coming undone right here, so I do have to just stitch it real quick. And there are some mistakes that you can notice, and I did not match the pattern fabric because I didn't know at the time that that's what you were supposed to do, but now I know that I didn't at the time. So it does look a little funny, but hey, you know, it's eye-catching at least. This next one is a little bit more recent. It is the Joni jumpsuit mixed with the new Look D0609. I originally made this for the Joni jumpsuit, but I did not like how it looked, so I transformed it into a romper. The only problem is that the front is too long, so I will have to fix that. But I do wear it still like this because, like, Who cares? I made it. I'm proud of it, you know? I will eventually unstitch it and sew it properly, but for now, I'm happy with it right now. So I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. I'm not gonna mess with it right now, but I wear it and I like it. And yeah, I also like how this makes my skin look and how the pattern is eye-catching but not consuming me. Does that make sense? And my tiny cement is still saying that I'm doing the same thing, so he went ahead and left. This is my last success. I'm serious. And this is the shorts that I just made. And the thing about having a rectangle figure is that depending on what you wear, your figure kind of changes. So here, I feel like it makes me look almost like a pear-shaped figure, which is fine. I don't mind. I actually prefer it, but it just goes to show how different each pattern looks on everyone. You know what I mean? I do like the shorts. There are some errors in it if you look closely, but overall they are something that I can wear. I decided to change the shirt so you guys can kind of have a look of how different an outfit can make my figure look. A loose top from a tight top. This makes it look a little bit more, my waist look a little bit more tiny, but really I'm just a rectangle, you know? Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Those are only my successes, and I went ahead and added this picture because I didn't film an outro,